Hello traders. Today is 24th of June, Wednesday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best Forex trade analysis and their result. Just to recap, all these analyses are intraday analysis alongside 4 hour with the live RDSCAC support. As soon as the price move according to the analysis, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio Squawk and also that analysis in the analysis section for all the members. And the recording of all the live analysis is available in the training session for all the members. So we analyze market in a high time frame in 4 hour, and then we analyze market in a shorter time frame in momentum charts to refine entry. You can see we analyze market in 4 hour first, and then we analyze in momentum charts to refine entry and exits. So based on all these current analysis, today I have personally managed to bank 109 pips. This is the breakdown all of my trades. As you can see, I had a few challenges. I'm just going to show you a couple of my losing trades and then show you one of the best trades as well. So if you look at the dollar CAD, this was the short trade. I personally opened two trades. I closed one trade and let the other one run. As you can see, this is the uh, again, it's based on the analysis. A pullback short. It was a valid pullback, even the price went 7-8 pips. But as soon as the price reversed, you can see I closed my trade instantly twice. But eventually the price came down. But again, we just cut our losses quickly. Then I had Aussie dollar short trade. This one again is this entry, valid entry, but as soon as the price reversed, I closed my trade. But eventually the price came down. But I've had other exposure in other pound dollar trades, so that's what I closed this trade and let the pound dollar pound trades open. As you can see, bank such a beautiful pip. So I just cut my losses quickly and let the winning run. So you can see I had like two trades on pound Swiss franc, and if I show you here pound Swiss franc, you can see this was again is the breakout trade, and all of them was you can see like I can show you some interesting thing today is you can see here, not this one already banked few pips this morning and had a New York session analysis. Okay, this was the breakout. I took it, and as soon as the price reversed, I cancel it. But I can see, this is the common behavior. You can see I just close it, and then afterwards, I announce that this is the trades. But I already open my position in pounds, so I said I can let the other trade manage. So, but other of traders, most of my traders bank beautiful pips on short on dollar, Aussie dollar. But I close my trade. I accept those losses. But pound Swiss franc, this was again based on this analysis. You can see this was the pretty straightforward breakout, and I opened my position. I can see very strong bearish momentum. I was watching in 4 hour too, and all the trades basically we keep an eye on 4 hour to understand what's happening here. If I show you here the 4 hour, the price nicely respected. You can see many times. As soon as I see the price reverse, but I need a valid technical entry, which I did this breakout of analysis, and then I banked my profit. As you can see, beautiful short trades. So keep an eye high time frame, understand the market sentiment, and then pinpoint trades in intraday system, which you can see it. Then I had a short trades on pound dollar. Beautiful. Again, this was the pullback. As you can see, after the pullback, price nicely broken and beautiful short trade. We can see very strong bearish momentum, a few pips. My last trade was pound yen short trade. You can see 10 pips, and then later on, as soon as the price reverse, I close. You can see 9169,148, and if all of these trades are, you can see based on that, we already had this breakout trade, which I personally missed it. Then I look at the pullback, which we announced that analysis and this trade, and I bank a beautiful pips. And again, based on that analysis, 100% based on the analysis breakout trade, which banked some profit, and then I was in pound Swiss franc trade. So as soon as I banked some profit in pound Swiss franc, then I open a pound yen trade on the pullback. So you can see that 109 pips, I had a losing trades around about 70 pips basically. I was in losing trade, but end of the day, this is intraday. We keep an eye. All these pairs, the templates are here. You can see it. If you want to watch 12 pairs, you can see all these major pairs. Beautiful, layout. Easily, if I double click, I can see it. I just keep an eye all this analysis and broadcast. Even if you look at this one, dollar CAD, I mentioned this breakout, and I'll show you here in the analysis section. You can see this is the 2 hours ago I mentioned this breakout, safest trade. As you can see, the price nicely break, and that's what exactly most of traders, they are banking beautiful pips based on this analysis. Plus the high time frame, we see the very bullish strongness here. As I mentioned, that if the price going to stay above this, inside the Bollinger, outside the Bollinger Band, then probably less inside the Bollinger Band. Nice. And I said to trader, this is the final target. So let's see. So all these trades are based 100% on the analysis. So let me show you the other analysis, guys. So okay, so Euro USD this morning, I also bank a few pips on Euro USD. Beautiful breakout short trade based on the momentum. Beautiful short trade. And dollar CAD, pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward based on the momentum breakout short trade. Pound yen, beautiful breakout based on the momentum. We had this previously, false breakout, which is I explained to my trader, look for the pullback. We haven't seen any pullback. Then I explained to my traders, if the price develop a false breakout, that's the good sign of reversal, but we need a safer trade. So that is breakout after the retest, and two beautiful pullback short trades. Euro yen, pretty straightforward channel breakout short trade. Pound dollar, beautiful breakout and pullback short trades. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward consolidation breakout based on the momentum, as always mentioned. Beautiful short trade. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward counter long trade, and I explained to my trader in the analysis section through live audio commentary. If you look at here, what pattern is developed? Head and shoulder pattern. It's a good sign for reversal. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward price development. There's a possibility, we were watching in 4 hours, a possibility of pullback short. If the price going to break the previous low, then we should look in, but we should go towards the momentum. As you can see, beautiful breakout long trade. Euro USD, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. Dollar CAD, as mentioned on this analysis, you can see it. I took this one, lost it, but one of my traders asked me, should we go? I said, no, still the valid analyses are still valid. We can take these pullback shorts, and most of my traders bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to this one. But I did not take it because, as I mentioned, I was enjoying pipping on cable pair. So dollar yen, this was the New York session analysis. You can see it, channel develop, breakout, beautiful long trade. Pound yen, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful breakout and pullback short, which you have seen that I also banked. This was my last trade, banked beautiful pips on pound yen. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward, beautiful breakout. As long as the momentum is bearish, we announce all these trades are, by the way, we announce through live audio commentary. So we trade like a team. So you can see beautiful pullback short trade. Pound Swiss franc, beautiful breakout. As I mentioned, watching on 4 hour, beautiful breakout and pullback short trade, which you have seen personally. I banked beautiful pips on pound Swiss franc. Euro pound, amazing breakout long trade. Aussie dollar, beautiful. I lost a few pips because I could not, technically I should hold that trade, but I was managing too many open positions. So I said, okay, let me take off these trades and manage the winning trades, which I did, and manage beautiful pips. But most of the traders bank beautiful pips on pullback short trade in Aussie dollar. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all the analysis details. So if you would like to see all these analyses in real time with the live audio Sukak support, if you are a beginner struggling, or even you have no idea about the forex trading, if you would like to learn forex trading, or if you are struggling it, you want to see everything in a real environment, and you can learn forex trading in a real and live trading environment. As you can see, all these targets nicely achieved. Or if you are a professional trader and you would like to take another edge, finding a good trades, most welcome to join our fast growing trader community. Let's trades together and make all these pips every single day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching this video, and wish you all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.